Hello to everyone. Today I have here the laptop mouse Logitech M185, and if you are using this mouse every day, it's nice when you find time for your cleaning. And today is this day, and I would like to show you how to clean this mouse. So what I prepare for the cleaning is this screwdriver, some papers for the cleaning, and this one general surface cleaner from the Victoria company, where is nice description that effective in removing ingrained dirt from external plastic and metal surfaces of computer, etc. So we can start. So first what I need to do, because I can clean just from the outside, but I would like to open the cover, turn off the battery, because this battery was inside, like this, but you have to get out battery. And now we can see the screw inside, so we can try to get out this screw. Okay, so this isn't good. I need to change. And this one should be fine. We can try together, and come on. Okay, isn't good. Next one. Try this one. And this is okay, so we can start. Unscrew wing. Okay, get out. Screw is here, and now we can again change and try to open the cover. We have there next screw. It's going. We have there next screw, so we can see inside. And no. Okay, now we are ready for good cleaning. So we have here one part here, so just take the air from your mouth and make something like this. It's very useful, and you can use your own air from your mouth, and it looks really fine. We can try this button if it's going fine. This is okay, everything looking fine. I don't need nothing more, just you can see here this so we can clean this border. also here. And next part, try this button is also fine. And also then we have here this part where we scroll is also neat. And again we can clean this. Second part. You can see how much dirt is here. Then what we can do is open this right here and here, like this, and put it out. Also this. First this one, and then this one. And now we can get out all like this. This is problem to get out, so we need time. What is there? Okay, like first and second. Okay, now it's completely down, and now we can see this roller, and we can check in very professional way, because right here you can see a lot of dusts. Okay, so everything get out. And right now we can use also for this part general surface. So let's go on. Like this. Like this, and now I can clean. Very precise cleaning. Every half year, on every year, if you will provide cleaning like this, it's very useful for your gaming or for working mouse. You can see, very nice. Now from both sides. Okay, first part is ready. continue with next one. Next one is also ready. Continue. This one. And bottom part also. And also wheel. Okay. And we can take also this and clean. Take this and clean. Okay. Now we can return all the parts back. So I start with this. So what was first? First part was these two parts. It's not easy return back this part. And now it's okay. One and second. Okay. Okay, now it's ready. Now just we have first part, and now just all next two parts. So just this. Okay, you should loosen the stick. So now it is ready. Now it is ready for using, and the roller is working also. So this is ready. Then we can take this part and return back. You can see this shaft, plastic shafts, second plastic shaft and fourth, so you can find the good position for this, like this. And now find a good position and push in. Be careful, because right here you have these plastic ticks, and you need to give this and this inside. So you need to go like this, from outside to inside, and now you should listen. Now it's ready for, you can check, it's fine. And now just find the screw and return back to the wall. So I need to change again the screw and give inside. Okay, not easy to return back. Okay, we are there. And now just like this. Okay, we have it. Now just return back the battery, return back the cover, turn on mouse, and mouse is clean, and prepare for next using. Thank you for the watching, and don't forget to subscribe for next video. Bye.